Hello friends, I'm Miss Rebecca and here's Monty Bear. Hello everyone. We would like to show you something that we've done in our classroom this week and perhaps you could do it at home. We have made our very own jigsaw puzzle and we've put it in our calming corner in the classroom as one of our strategies to put in our toolbox. So, would you like us to show you what we made? Guess what it is? It's Monty Bear. You could make a puzzle of anything you want. You could even take a photo of yourself. You could do a drawing. You could do a painting. Anything you want to do to make a puzzle. So what we've done, we've already taken our puzzle and we've put it through the laminating machine. Ask your mum or dad or your teacher if they've got access to one and they could use it for you. If you don't, you could just use cardboard anyhow and do it that way. Now, to make a puzzle, this is actually all together already. We need to make some pieces. So I've got my scissors. So we can make our puzzle any way we want. I think I'm going to make, 5 pieces. Let's see, cut. Uh-oh, sorry, Monty. Now I'll do another one. And I might cut here as well. Let's see how many pieces we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Monty, does that look like you? Not right now, does it? It looks like Monty's all broken up. So now we have to put our puzzle back together. So first of all, to make it a little bit trickier, let's get our puzzle and mix it all up. Mix, mix, mix. There we go. Now, when we're doing our puzzle, there are some tricks to remember to make it a bit easier to do. You always get the corner sections first, and that should help you do your puzzle. So here is a corner. There we go. And I'll put that there. This looks like another corner. So we'll put that corner bit out. No, this doesn't look like a corner section here. Where's another corner? Here we go. This one looks like a corner. And a little tiny corner there. So here we go. Now, let me see. I'm trying to put it together. Where's your mouth, Monty Bear? Is it top or bottom? Oh, there it is, down the bottom. I can see his mouth, so we'll put this one here down there. Oh, I can see it matching up. Now, the next corner might be... Yes, it's matching. Oh, I can see your eyes, Monty Bear. And there we go. Who's that now, Monty? Yep, you're right. It's Monty Bear. That was a bit too easy. I think we could make it harder. Should we make it harder, Monty? Okay, so we had 5 pieces. I want to double it. What would that be? If we did 5 and double it plus 5, what would that be? I think you're right. Let's check. Are you ready? We're going to got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's double it. 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, let's make it really tricky and do 10 pieces. So now I'm going to cut this piece up. Cut this piece up. Cut this one up. And again, it's looking really tricky now. There we go. Oh, look at all these small pieces. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where are we going to start? This looks really tricky. Oh, what was it again, Monty, we had to do? Get the corner sections right. Thanks for reminding me. Okay, corner sections. Here is one corner. This looks like we have another corner. Another corner. I think that one one is, I'm not sure. So let's put all these pieces here in front of us and we'll put some corners out and let's see. It's very tricky, this one now. Okay, well, I can see Monty Bear's eyes are here. So let's put that one in the middle. And is that your ear, Monty Bear? Oh, there it is. We're matching that one up. Now let's see, where does the... Oh, we're getting there. Here's a corner. There we go. Let's see, I can see Monty Bear's other ear. And there's the corner. Where would this corner go? Maybe let's put it down there for now. Oh, we're matching up his eyes. His mouth. Oh, this is actually taking a lot longer, but it's good practice, isn't it, for our brains? Tricky thinking. There we go. And corners, that's it. And look, our last corner. Well done. That was a lot harder, wasn't it, to do that one? So when you want to go into your calming corner and you've used your sensory bottle or any of your other strategies and you think, I want to do something else just for a little bit longer. I feel calm, but an activity just sitting nice and cozy in my calming corner, you could do one of Monty Bear's puzzles, or you could make your own. So now that we've finished with it, we can get it, put it back like this, put it into a little container or a plastic bag, and then it can go into our strategies toolbox in our calming corner. So we'd love to hear from what you've been making with your puzzles. We'd love to see some photos in that. So click down below there on our subscribe button and we would love to share with you some more things that we're going to put in our calming corner. Bye bye friends. Bye bye Monty.